Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churro bowls. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, combine the water, butter, and sugar in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, remove from heat and quickly stir in the flour until a smooth dough forms. This is the base for your perfect churro bowls. Now that your dough is ready, it's time to shape those beautiful bowls. Carefully transfer the warm churro dough into a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Next, flip over a greased muffin tin. Pipe the dough onto the back of each muffin cup, creating a spiral pattern that forms a bowl shape. Make sure the dough adheres well to the tin for a sturdy bowl. With your churro bowls shaped, it's time for the magic. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the dough-covered muffin tins into the hot oil, frying until the churro bowls are golden brown and crispy. Once fried, gently remove them from the tins. While still warm, toss your churro bowls generously in a mixture of cinnamon and sugar for that classic churro flavor. Your churro bowls are now ready for their delicious filling. These crispy, sweet vessels are perfect for holding scoops of your favorite ice cream, fresh berries, or even a creamy pudding. Don't forget to add a drizzle of chocolate sauce, caramel, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar for that extra touch of indulgence. They are a fantastic dessert for any occasion. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade churro bowls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.